Hi there. Into this tutorial I will show you how to create a ViewType2 application. Before we have been created ViewType1 containing only one area for the employee, the sales, the companies and so on. Now what do we understand under a ViewType2 application? A ViewType2 is a split display. Let me give you an example. If I take for instance this group over here and I go to the menu bar to the application industries per company, as you can see this is a split display. This is area 1 and here you have area 2, and also both areas are connected. If I take the item automotive, you will have here into area 3 all automotive. If I page down and I take construction, I will have area 2 all items for construction. If I take consulting, then here you have consulting. Now this application we are going to create into our group. So let's go back to our group, and our group was called my group. So again we're going to click on the bottom new and start creating our ViewType2 application. The description I give it example ViewType2 application. The two files we have been displaying in the previous ViewType2, those are the industries and the companies. We have the file industry L1 and the file company L2. I have to give it the text over here and I call it industries per company. The name of the RPG program, don't get in, so like this. We press enter. Our source library is again our demo library, and now we're going to select view 2. You press enter. Now we have some space where you can fill in the two files. So the first file was industry L1 and the other file was called company L2. Both files are connected via the industry number. Industry L2, press enter. Now our RPG source generator has generated us a little RPG program. If I press command Q5, here is our program. Let's go and have a look at the source. As you can see, this RPG source generator has created the first file industry L1 and our related file company L2. Let's page down. File data structure for file 1, file data structure for file 2, one data structure for each file. This is a data structure for the industries and this is a data structure for the companies. Our prototyping and a number of pointers. And here he has also already created our key fields. This is the key field for the file industries and this is the key field for the file companies. Also he has created 4 additional subroutines. The first 4 subroutines are related to the file industry and the other 4 are related to the file company. They do nothing more but a setll over here, a read for the file company L2, a read previous equal for file company L2 and a set greater than, and then of course stop run, end of program handling. Let's scroll down. This is still for file industries and here we have a subroutine starting for the file companies. Setll for the company. Scroll down, read the read instruction for file company L2 and also into this routine over here. The RPG source generator has also already created your key list and key fields for both files. Okay then, Now let's compile this program and see what happens. I'm going to create bind RPG, command key 4, get e and a come, I believe it was, into the library demo, and again demo, press enter. Our application is finished. Now let's go and have a look at the results. There's more, and I go industries per company. Here you go. Here is your application, area 1. You can scroll to area 1, area 2. You can scroll to area 2 and also shift from right to left by clicking upon the white bar underneath. Area 2. But what we can see, we have not connected both areas. In the other application, when I was selecting, for instance, automotive, then over here I would have all companies automotive. So let me show you how to do that. Let's go back to our little RPG program. Press command key 5. Get in company, page up. I put option 2 in front, PGLE, like this. If you want to connect both areas, area 1 with area 2 in this case, then you have to do next thing. So this is the first subroutine for our company file, this which is our related file. And it says over here, if you want to connect area 2 with area 1, then you can use data coming from data structure 1 to populate the key fields for file company 2. So if we go back to data structure 1, this one over here, this is data structure 1. Now you take a field, the key field for company L2, company L2, which is in this case I1 field 0, and you're going to populate the key field for the file company L2, and the key field for company L2 is field C1 field 14, and this you have to repeat for every subroutine related to company 2. It means the ZLL, the read equal, the read previous equal, or the read previous, and the set greater than. Once you've done that, it will look like this. So I use the field I1 field 0, and I populate the key field C1 field 14 from the file company L2, and now the ZLL will work. And the same thing for if you do it for the read over here, and also the other routines. And as you can see, our key field is C1 field 14. Once you've done that, then you recompile the program. Now let's go have a look at the results. I will first go out of the application, then I will go back to the application industries per company, and as you can see, if I select now automotive, you will have automotive into area 2. Also for area 1 and area 2, you have your drop down box, and I've just selected the display function. You have your drop down box containing the options update, delete, display, insert. Afterwards we will find out that you can delete options for a certain application, you can add options for your local options for certain applications, or have them changed. I will select here for area 2 the update, and as you can see, This is the update function. There are 2 pages involved, and you can start updating your records. Now into our next tutorial, we are going to see how to create a view type 3, 4, 5 and 6. Thanks for watching.